I can't send message on TikTok. So if you're unable to send message on TikTok, then today in this video I will be talking about some of the fixes to fix that. But before that, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more updates from us. Now let's get into the video. So the first thing is you need to open up your TikTok application, and here you'll be able to explore to various TikTok videos like this. Once you are logged in, you will be able to see your profile at the right bottom corner, and here is your profile. So for sending a message, you just have to tap on the inbox option right next to profile at the right bottom corner, and if you tap over any person, you'll be able to see send a message option. Simply tap over there and you just have to type the message and send. Here right now the message has been sent, but if you are unable to send the message, then you need to know one thing, that in order to send a message to someone, you need to be friend with that person, which means you both must follow each other's TikTok account. So make sure you both follow each other TikTok account and you are friend with each other. If you are sure about that, your problem will be fixed. But if you both follow each other's account but still unable to send the message, then you just have to go back and you need to check your internet connection. So make sure that you are connected to strong Wi-Fi, or if you are using cellular data, then make sure your cellular data is strong. And once you are sure about that, you will be able to fix your problem. But if you are still unable to fix your problem, then the simplest thing you can do is you have to go back and you can open up to apps, and you just have to press and hold on TikTok, and you can directly clear the cache from over here. And here this interface has been opened up. Just have to tap over the clear and you have to clear the cache. By doing that, your TikTok will be refreshed and you'll be able to fix your problem. You just have to go back and send the message. Your message will be sent. So this is how you fix your problem. So I hope this video was helpful. If you want us to make any tutorial videos on any topics, then you can mention down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching.